How to get Trac, CommitTicketUpdater, Mercurial to close resolved tickets on commit? My quick question is this: everything seems to be working, except that Trac tickets don't get status updates upon commit. Change set notes are appended to the ticket, but the tickets themselves are not being resolved. I've got Trac running and linked up with the repo. I can view the change sets, browse, etc. I'm using add for auth, so all my usernames are in this format, mydomain/barker. Set up the CommitTicketUpdater following the instructions here. When I commit new code, and link to a ticket, $HG commit m, fixes number 1, blah blah blah, $HG push. Trac appends a change set to the ticket. Changed 5 seconds ago by mydomain/barker in 29283792837498273948729374, fixes number 1, blah blah blah. The number 1, above, is a link to the ticket. But the ticket status is never updated, no matter what I try. Is there anything additional I need to be doing to get this to work? Below are snippets of my settings. Trac.ini. Components, tracex.hg. equals enabled tracup.ticket.commit_updater. equals enabled tracup.ticket.commit_updater. committick reference macro equals enabled tracup.ticket.commit_updater. CommitTicketUpdater equals enabled hg in node_format equals short show_rev equals yes. Ticket commit_ticket_update_envelope equals commit_ticket_update_commands.close equals commit_ticket_update_commands.refs equals commit_ticket_update_check_perms equals true commit_ticket_update_notify equals true. Trac repository_dir equals c:\repositories\project repository_sync_pop_request equals default repository_type equals hg. .hg to hgrc. Hooks. If Mercurial plugin is installed in a Trac plugins directory, commit equals python sc /trac/hooks.py add_change sets change group equals python sc /trac/hooks.py add_change sets trac env equals c:\trac/trac project trac admin equals c:\python 27 /scripts /trac-admin.exe.
Phew! Got it! Following to the directions from the Trac site was my error. Well, kind of, I guess. I had basically copied this from the above site into my trac.ini file. Commit_ticket_update_envelope is equal to commit_ticket_update_commands.close is equal to commit_ticket_update_commands.refs is equal to commit_ticket_update_check_perms is equal to true commit_ticket_update_notify is equal to true. Reading the below, I just assumed that leaving the commit_ticket_update_commands.close to an empty value would assume defaults. This actually overrides the defaults to an empty value, which explains why none of the commands worked, yet my commit messages were still being appended to the corresponding tickets. So simply removing or commenting out that line in the .ini resolved my problem. Or didn't override the defaults. Commit_ticket_update_envelope is equal to commit_ticket_update_commands.close is equal to commit_ticket_update_commands.refs is equal to commit_ticket_update_check_perms is equal to true commit_ticket_update_notify is equal to true. So after some debugging, testing, web scouring, I really just needed to relook at the instructions provided by Trac. It's pretty obvious looking back on it now. Happy smiley.